Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer. Today we're exploring 15 classic motorcycles for sale across the United States, from rare vintage icons to budget-friendly finds. Number 1. 1973 Harley-Davidson XLH Sportster 1000, $4,000, St. Charles, Missouri. The 1973 Harley-Davidson XLH Sportster 1000 is a classic American V-twin known for its raw character and strong presence in the custom scene. This example is a custom build from the original owner, adding a layer of authenticity and history that many enthusiasts appreciate, especially with long-term ownership. It comes equipped with new tires and a new chain, helping ensure it's ready for the road. The bike maintains a simple and mechanical feel that makes vintage Sportsters so enjoyable to ride. With a clean title in hand, this XLH offers a solid and affordable entry into classic Harley ownership with room for further customization. Number 2. 1982 Honda GL 1100 Goldwing, $1,800, Pleasant Prairie, Wisconsin. The 1982 Honda GL 1100 Goldwing is a legendary touring motorcycle, known for its smooth, flat-4 engine and excellent long-distance comfort. This example has received extensive recent maintenance, including a new carburetor, timing belts, fork seals, brake components, and updated controls, making it a well-sorted rider. With 64,000 miles, it continues to run and ride nicely, showcasing the durability Honda is known for. Modern additions like a Bluetooth radio and LED lighting improve usability without taking away from its classic appeal. At this price point, it represents outstanding value for a fully functional vintage touring machine. Number 3. 1960 Triumph TR6 Trophy 650, $9,600, Neshkoro, Wisconsin. The 1960 Triumph TR6 Trophy 650 is a rare pre-unit British classic that represents an important era in Triumph's history. This example remains largely original aside from paint and has clearly been well cared for, preserving much of its vintage character. It starts easily and runs strong, with recent servicing that includes fluid changes, valve adjustments, and new fuel lines. Additional features such as a factory-style exhaust system and dealer-installed tachometer enhance both its usability and originality. With a clear title and ready-to-ride condition, this TR6 is a standout piece for collectors and riders alike. Number 4. 1974 Kawasaki S3 400, $6,449, Altura, Minnesota. The 1974 Kawasaki S3 400 is part of Kawasaki's iconic two-stroke triple lineup, offering a balance of performance and lighter handling compared to the larger 500 and 750 models. Known for its quick acceleration and distinctive sound, it delivers a classic two-stroke riding experience. This example has been owned for over 30 years and stored in a heated garage, reflecting consistent care and preservation. It has been well maintained and is described as running great, making it a strong candidate for both riding and collecting. As these bikes become harder to find, this S3 represents a valuable and desirable classic. Number 5. 1967 BSA 500 Royal Star Custom, $3,300, Angola, Indiana. The 1967 BSA 500 Royal Star is a classic British single-cylinder motorcycle, and this example has been transformed into a custom hardtail build with a bold and distinctive look. It combines traditional BSA engineering with custom components, including Harley-Davidson Springer forks and matching wheels. Additional upgrades from lowbrow customs, along with aftermarket ignition components, give it a unique and show-ready appearance. The overall build emphasizes style while still maintaining rideability. This Royal Star stands out as a creative blend of vintage heritage and custom craftsmanship, ideal for shows or casual cruising. Number 6. 1980 Yamaha SR 500, $3,000, Oregon, Illinois. The 1980 Yamaha SR 500 is a legendary single-cylinder motorcycle known for its simplicity, reliability, and engaging riding experience. This example shows 12,800 miles and has received several recent updates, including fresh fluids for the forks, brakes, and engine, along with new wheel bearings, tires, and a battery. It starts easily, often within the first 2 kicks, which is a hallmark of a well-tuned SR 500. Lightweight and responsive, it's a fun and pure riding machine, perfect for vintage bike meets or relaxed weekend rides. This is a clean and ready-to-enjoy example of a highly respected classic. Number 7. 1969 BMW 600cc, $5,000, Wabasha, Minnesota. The 1969 BMW 600cc motorcycle represents the brand's classic boxer twin heritage, known for durability and smooth performance. This example is described as being in good overall condition, with the engine turning over, indicating a solid mechanical starting point. It will require carburetor work to be fully operational, making it a light restoration or recommissioning project. With its vintage appeal and strong BMW engineering, this bike offers a great opportunity for enthusiasts looking to bring a classic back to life. Number 8. 1980 Suzuki GS 850 Cafe, $2,200, Kansas City, Missouri. The 1980 Suzuki GS 850 is a well-regarded inline 4, known for its strength and smooth power delivery, and this example has been styled as a cafe racer. With just over 3,100 miles, it shows relatively low usage for its age and was running well before being parked about a year ago. It has a new battery and has recently been started, though the carburetors will need cleaning and an oil change to be fully road-ready. Minor cosmetic scratches from a low-speed tip-over are present but not severe. Overall, this GS 850 offers a solid base for a stylish and affordable vintage rider. Number 9. 1981 Vespa Piaggio 125PX, $3,900, Hampshire, Illinois. The 1981 Vespa Piaggio 125PX is a classic Italian scooter known for its timeless design and practical usability. This example is described as being in excellent condition, well-maintained, and running properly, making it a reliable and stylish option for everyday use. With a title in hand and strong mechanical condition, it's ready to ride and enjoy immediately. The 125PX is especially popular for its simplicity and ease of use, making it a great choice for both collectors and casual riders looking for a vintage scooter. Number 10. 1971 Honda CB 175, $2,500, Ankeny, Iowa. The 1971 Honda CB175 is a lightweight twin-cylinder motorcycle that reflects Honda's early reputation for reliability and user-friendly design. This example is being offered as a project bike, making it ideal for someone looking to get hands-on with a vintage restoration. The engine turns over and can run, but it will require some electrical work before proper tuning of the fuel system. While not in mint condition, it has solid potential with a bit of time and effort. For enthusiasts, this CB175 offers an affordable entry into classic motorcycle restoration. Number 11. 1980 Harley-Davidson XLS 1000 Roadster, $4,590, Berwyn, Illinois. The 1980 Harley-Davidson XLS 1000 Roadster is part of the classic Ironhead Sportster lineup, known for its raw performance and unmistakable Harley character. This example is described as all original, which is becoming increasingly rare for bikes of this era. With around 20,000 miles, it runs and rides very well, offering a solid and usable vintage experience. Its originality and strong mechanical condition make it a great option for enthusiasts looking for an authentic Ironhead Sportster that can still be enjoyed on the road. Number 12. 1971 Kawasaki Samurai 250 two-stroke, $3,200, Watertown, Wisconsin. The 1971 Kawasaki Samurai 250 is a lightweight two-stroke known for its lively performance and simple, rugged design. This example is described as running great, with everything functioning as it should, making it a straightforward and enjoyable vintage ride. It also comes with new tires and a title, adding to its usability and value. With its classic two-stroke character and manageable size, this Samurai is a fun option for both collectors and riders looking for something different from larger displacement bikes. Number 13. 1973 Norton Commando, $7,500, Lake Linden, Michigan. The 1973 Norton Commando is one of the most iconic British motorcycles, known for its strong performance and distinctive styling. This example shows around 15,000 miles and has been upgraded with practical improvements such as a Marconi carburetor, tri-spark ignition, and an upgraded charging system. It also features a Corbin seat, new exhaust, chain, and tires, making it a well-sorted rider. Importantly, the seller has retained all original parts, including a new stock seat and additional tools, which adds to its long-term value. This Commando offers a great balance between originality and usability. Number 14. 1965 Honda CB160, $1,100, Northbrook, Illinois. The 1965 Honda CB160 is a small displacement twin that reflects Honda's early commitment to reliable and user-friendly motorcycles. This example is described as running perfectly and has been garage stored, helping preserve its overall condition. While it does not come with a title, it still presents as a clean and functional vintage bike. Its lightweight design and simple mechanics make it an appealing option for casual riding or as a beginner-friendly classic. Number 15. 1980 Suzuki GS750, $875, Neoga, Illinois. The 1980 Suzuki GS750 is a solid inline-four classic, known for its durability and smooth performance. This example has over 23,000 miles and is described as a very solid bike overall, though it will require some work to reach full potential. It has a starter issue and will need attention to components such as the exhaust and fork tubes, along with missing side panels and intake setup. The title is currently missing, which is reflected in the low asking price. For someone willing to invest time, this GS750 offers a very affordable restoration project. Thanks for watching Moto Market Explorer. Be sure to like, subscribe, and come back for more daily classic motorcycle listings across the United States.